To use a Visa gift card on the PlayStation Store, you will need to add the card as a payment method to your PlayStation account. First, make sure you have a Visa gift card with a sufficient balance to cover your purchases. Next, turn on your PlayStation console and navigate to the PlayStation Store. Select the PlayStation Store icon and press the X button to open it. Once the store has loaded, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the Redeem Codes option. Then, select the Payment Methods option from the menu. Now, select the Add a Credit or Debit Card option and enter your Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the address associated with the Visa gift card as the billing address. After entering the details, select the Next button to proceed. Your Visa gift card will now be added as a payment method to your PlayStation account. To purchase a game or other content, browse the PlayStation Store and select the item you want to purchase. When you are ready to check out, select the item and choose your Visa gift card as the payment method. Review the purchase details and select the Confirm Purchase button to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on online purchases, so make sure to check the terms and conditions of your card before attempting to use it on the PlayStation Store. Additionally, be aware that you may need to activate your Visa gift card before using it, so be sure to follow the activation instructions provided with the card. By following these steps, you can easily use your Visa gift card to purchase games, DLC, and other content on the PlayStation Store.